morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about BTech M1 and BSc Paper 5 Mathematics Common Paper. So, in the earlier class, we will already discuss some important points on the vector calculus. Now, today we will discuss about the definitions of divergence, curl, solenoidal vector, and irrotational vector, and then we can solve the problems on these three definitions only. The first of all, divergence of the vector. Divergence of f. Definition: let f of x comma y comma z be a vector point function which is continuous and derivable, then I dot by dou x plus j dot dou by dou y plus k dot dou by dou z is called a divergence of f. It is denoted by div f, right? So the divergence of f means that f of x, y, z be a vector point function which is continuous and variable. Then I dot dou f by dou x plus j dot dou f by dou y plus k dot dou f by dou z is called a divergence of f. It is denoted by. So now div f is equal to div f is equal to I dou f by dou x plus j I dot dou f by dou x plus j dot dou f by dou y plus k. Now div f is equal to I dot dou f by dou x plus j dot dou f by dou y plus k dot dou f by dou z. This is equal to I into dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z of dot f. Simply known as already in the earlier class, this is nothing but a del dot f. So div f is nothing but del dot f. Sometimes this can be written as dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, where f means f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So we are using, by proving theorem we are using this definition, by proving problem we are using this definition only. So div f is nothing but del dot f, sometimes called dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So another is kernel of f. This is also very important definition. Let f of x comma y comma z be a vector point function. Which is continuous and derivable. Then I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z is called curl of f. So curl f is equal to I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z Is simply known as I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z cross f is nothing but a del cross f only. So curl f is nothing but del cross f. Curl f is nothing but del cross. Del f is nothing but del dot f. So it is a curl f only. So another definition of curl f by using a problematic, let f equals to f1i plus another definition of curl f, let f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Then curl f is nothing but a del cross f. Simply is known as determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. F1, F2, F3. This is called a determinant of this function only. That means already you know how you can express determinant of means I times of here dou F3 by dou y minus dou F2 by dou z minus j times of dou F3 by dou x minus dou F1 by dou z plus k times of dou F2 by dou x minus dou F1 by dou y. This is the expansion of the determinant only. So one is a divergence, already you studied. Another is curl. There are two type of models. One is del cross f, another is del cross f means determinant form. So now coming to the problems. So problems are div r bar is equal to 3, curl r bar is equal to 0 bar. So we look at first and second. Let r bar is equal to is a position vector xi plus yj plus zk only. So what is the divergent of f? Divergent of r bar. Divergent of r bar, div f means dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. That means dou f1 by m means it is a dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. That is f1 here there and f2 is there and f3 is there. F3 is there. This is f2. That means what happened? This is dou x by dou x plus dou y by dou y plus dou by dou z of z only. So actually originally we are write like this, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, nothing but 3. This is answer is 3. And coming to the second one, del cross f, that is curl r bar. Curl r bar is, this is simply known del cross r bar. Del cross r bar. This is I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is the r bar? R bar is f1, f2, f3. That is x, y, z. X, y, z. So this is I times of determinant of this one. Dou by dou z, dou by dou y of z means 0. I times of 0. Dou by dou z of y means 0. So that is curl r bar is equal to del cross r bar. That is the determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. That is x, y, z. That is I times of dou by dou y of z means 0. J and dou by dou z of y means 0. And j times of dou by dou x of z means 0. Dou by dou z of x means 0. Plus k times of dou by dou x of y is 0 minus 0. Is simply known as 0 bar. So therefore curl f is equal to curl of r bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. Curl of r bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. So now in this case solenoidal vector is a very simple vector definition only. A vector function f is said to be a solenoidal vector if div f is equal to 0 only. Div f is equal to 0, this is called a solenoidal vector. And irrotational vector A vector point function f is said to be an irrotational vector if curl f is equal to 0 bar. Curl f is equal to 0 bar. One is a solenoid vector, another is irrotational vector only. So now we can solve the problem. Curl of r bar cross a bar is equal to a bar only. So sometimes we noted a bar or not, no problem, right? So what is r bar? Position vector xi plus yj plus zk. What is a bar? a1i plus a2j plus a3k plus a3k. So now coming to the r bar cross a bar. Immediately you can find r bar cross a bar. That is I, j, k. What is r bar? X, y, z. What is a bar? a1, a2, a3. So determinant on that. So expand this one first of all. I times of y a3 minus z a2 plus j minus j times of so x a3 minus z a1 plus k times of x a2 minus y a1. This is a r cross a bar only. So another coming to this one, curl of r bar cross a bar. So this means again a determinant of, that is, so del cross, meaning is del cross r bar cross a bar. So it's nothing but I, j, k. So I, j, k. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is f1? This is nothing but f1 only. So that means y a3 minus z a2. Another is minus of x a3 minus z a1. X a2 minus y a1. This is the determinant only. Is that determinant only? We can expand this one. Determinant of I is equal to I times of dou by dou x of this one. Dou by dou x of this one is only minus. This is the I times of multiply this one only. So dou by dou of this term only. Dou by dou of this term is minus a1. And dou by dou z of this one is again minus a1. Minus of minus is plus is there, again minus a1. Minus j times of here, you see that j times of dou by dou x of this is minus a2. Another is, this is a minus minus plus only, plus a2 plus k times of, again this is a dou by dou x of this one minus a3. Another is, this is a minus a3. So simply known as this is nothing but minus 2a1i plus minus 2 is common term, that is minus 2a1i minus 2a2j minus 2a3k. Simply known as minus 2 is common term only, a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So this is nothing but minus 2a. So my therefore curl of r cross bar a cross is equal to minus 2a. So thank you very much for good listening. So please watch my videos and subscribe my videos. Thank you.